Megan here with WTI, and I'm so in love with my new Simple Modern tumbler. I love its beauty and its functionality. This holds 40 ounces of water. I've been trying to increase my water, so I love carrying this around with me. Whether I'm around the house or doing errands, it fits perfectly into any cup holder, whether it's in the door or your front seat cup holders. I love the handle. It's very comfortable to use. This tumbler comes with 2 straws, which I think is always a bonus. And let's just take a moment to admire the color block combination on this particular tumbler. This is perfect for spring and summer, and it's what made me fall in love with it in the first place. And let me tell you, I have banged this around here and there, so if you're a little rough on your water tumblers, then rest assured the beauty of this is going to stay intact. It keeps my drinks cold, which is mainly what I use it for. So if you want to increase your water intake in a cute and stylish way, I definitely recommend this cutie by Simple Modern. And that's my point of view.